Hey everybody, this is Dustin and Oso, your RV specialist. So I'm over here with Oso, and I caught him walking by with a battery filler and some distilled water. And I said, "Hey, what's going on?" And he says, "Well, come over here and take a look." So he was showing me the batteries, and as you can see, maybe you can't, they're completely bone dry. Again, this is those Costco batteries, and we recommend that you don't buy these, right? Even though they're on sale and they're dirt cheap, they don't last. This one, these are pretty old. They look like the sticker on them says 8 of 19. But as you can see, look at the difference on the terminals, how corroded and rotted they are, right? And then look at the back one over there. Oh, you got a flashlight, cool. Oh yeah, there's no water in there at all. Bone dry, yeah. So when you lose the water in your batteries, folks, it doesn't allow the ions and stuff to, basically think of it as like a pot of macaroni and cheese, right? If you leave it plugged in all the time, that's not good for it. It's made to drain it down and charge it back up, but it will swell the batteries and cause damage to the sides, and then it'll cook them. It can actually not only ruin and overcharge the batteries, which will cook them more, but it'll also burn up your converters. So make sure that all your connections are good, like this,
See part of the connection.
Oh yeah, even the part of the connector broke right off. So people come in all the time with, "Hey, my slide out doesn't work, my appliances don't work, my jack doesn't work."
And that's one of the complaints about the slide. Sometimes he stops and he doesn't want to move.
Oh, so it was not enough voltage.
Yeah.
Yep. So the load on it wasn't able to carry because of the battery. So keep in mind that even when you're plugged in, everything is charging the batteries, and all the power from the coach is pulled from the batteries. So again, here's another view of this side, and you can see how bad those terminals are, and you can even see that one little loop right there is the connector from one of the wires that are from the actual piece that broke loose. So make sure you're maintaining your batteries, folks. Stay tuned for more. And this is a Keystone Cougar, and I'll leave Oso alone and let him get his job finished up. Thanks so much for watching.
Thank you.